Hello navigator. In this video I am going to show you how to update the ECDIS. This is the weekly update and I have the updates file here in this pen drive. So let's come to the ECDIS display. Okay, I have already put the pen drive. Now on the ECDIS display you can see I am going to menu. Under menu I have to change here and go to code input. Here put your password. Okay, after coming here you have to go to chart maintenance. You will see this display after going to chart maintenance, and you have to go to import update charts for weekly update. And just to inform you, this is not a license. This key sign will indicate this is new license. I am not going to put the license, I am going to put the update only. Okay, then of course this is ENC update. Go ENC, and if you want to see from where it is taking, go browse. This is the pen drive and I am giving the AVCS now. Okay, if it is changed to other, you can change back to the original directory of this update. That means go browse and then select the pen drive and then select AVCS. Then we can choose automatically. It says that do you import or update all charts? Yes, all charts. Now it is taking 18 charts is being updated. Among all the charts I have licensed, 18 of them had updates for this week as well. So all of this now updated. Unable to import or update. That means unable to update or import should be 0. Okay, then you can read the log if you want. Go back, import update again, and then now I want to update the AIO. Go browse and select AIO, then OK, then again automatically. Do you import or update all charts? Yes, all. Okay, no issue. We can say OK. That means it has been updated. You have to go to route planning, route monitoring. Now we will check the status, the latest status. We can go to chart, down, and ENC update status. There is the summary. Here it is. This is the latest week I have updated, 35/2023, and this is valid till 7th September 2023. Date of report is today's date. Content is filtered for the route. This is route filter is on. We can keep it off as well, no issue. And for route selection, it will be like this. So that's it. We have completed the updates of one ECDIS, and now I am taking this pen drive out and following the same way and the same updates I can give to another ECDIS. And in between updating these two ECDIS, I should keep at least 1 hour gap so that I understand the updates are working fine and ECDIS is also working normally. No error is observed. Once I confirm everything is fine, then I should update the second ECDIS with the same updates. In any case, I should keep at least 1 hour gap. One more thing, when we keep the physical record, this is the 133C ENC and ECDIS maintenance record. Here also in one section we need to update. We need to write the update procedures. Here in comments we can write like this is my last week 34/23 comments I made. Weekly update applied on both ECDIS, keeping 1 hour gap. No error. Passage plan reviewed. So you can follow the same way to avoid any third-party observation.
finally, let us finish this video here, and in next video I'll show you how do I keep all the records in this 133C. So hopefully you will enjoy that video as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope to meet you in next video.